welcome back to another video. We're about to make, you guessed it, alright, the fruits are already cut up, ready to go. We're going to put the fruits in here, and then, even better, we just put it straight in here. I'm a bit dopey today. Alright. By the way, I haven't tried the salmon yet. It's in the freezer, but I'll make it with the rice paper rolls. I'm going to tell you another time. My dad wanted me to cook the salmon because the power was over. Because the power was over for about 2.5 hours, so I had to cook the salmon. So that's why I had to cook the salmon. Salmon, oh yeah. So, let me get a spoon. It's right here. Alright, we scoop some watermelon. About 6 watermelon. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kiwi fruit. And then mango. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 mangoes. And now we're going to have the beauty of bananas. Which we need. We need a container for that. Other half of the banana. I'm going to put some ice in it, don't we? So, half will be there. All we need to do, we don't have to use the scissors. Just do it like that. Like that. This off the banana can go in there. Put that back in the fridge a bit later. Could come over here, put some ice in this one. So see, with some ice in it. Ice in it, and then you find the maximum. Milk, you don't have to put it all the way to the top, but just all the way to the max. Just the one you have that there. squeeze it tight. Tight. Come over here. Right. This here. That one's on. So it's really tight. And done. Done. Come over here. On this wheel. Yes, that is so good. So good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my socials to get away from that depression maker. And I'll see you next time for another fun-filled video. Really good. Good, I'll see you later.